That's right, guys. I haven't done an FJ Cruiser one in a while because, well, I just haven't had anything to do on it. But today I do. We're going to address the mirrors. So these mirrors I bought a while back after I got sideswiped by a woman on the other side. It was actually cheaper to buy a set of mirrors than to go ahead and have the body shop just do one. So I do have the other mirrors up in the attic if I ever need them. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and basically save these mirrors here. The sun this year has just been horrible down here in Florida. I feel like I'm back in the desert in the Middle East. And no matter what I try to do as far as putting a dressing on these to make them look all nice, it doesn't last. A few washes later and the rain and all that stuff just kind of makes a big mess. So we're going to go ahead and get these refurbished and make them look a heck of a lot better. First I have to go ahead and clean it, get these bugs off one last time, and then hit it down with some rubbing alcohol. I like to use the 91% stuff to make sure it's nice and clean, and that was a hint for what I'm going to do. Use the nice degreaser, use some 409. Let's go ahead and get this soap residue off, and then let's get it wiped down with some alcohol. Okay, we got the residue off, got the bugs off. These mirrors have been taking a beating. They've been on here for quite a few years, so they don't look too bad for their age. So got all the old degreaser that gets rid of any of the compounds I put on here, and basically the dressings to try to make these things look better. So like I said, now we'll go ahead and get the alcohol. And the alcohol I use is the 91%, not that 70% stuff you can buy anywhere. You can find this. The 91 is just a lot stronger. It does a nicer job degreasing and everything else. So I'll get this on there, let that dry, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. And with the alcohol's drying, this is what we're going to do. We have these covers. They're actually pretty thick. ABS. We have the two-way tape. It has a little bit more of a design, which is kind of nice. And it'll make the mirrors look just a smidge bigger, which is what I like, because I think they're a bit too small right now. I'll go ahead and get these prepped right now by taking all this red protective stuff off the two-way tape. Then we'll press that on there, and this one here. So again, we'll do one last look. There's the mirror right now, the base and the top. Next time you see that, we'll have the cover on it. So there's the new mirror. I like even the base is nice. Like I said, it makes the mirrors just look just a smidge bigger. I think it fits the vehicle a lot better. I like these little details instead of everything just being smooth. The ridges are kind of, I don't know, it just kind of makes the truck look a little bit brawnier and stuff with these mirrors. So that's what I decided to do, guys. So I'll put the link where I got them from, Amazon of course. And not a bad price for these. Mirrors were a lot more, not to mention you have to take the door all apart and all that stuff to put it on. This one here, I'm actually pretty happy with it. That's what it looks like on this side here. So I'm pretty happy with these. So I'll go ahead and get some 303 on these to let them start getting protected from day one. And then I'll probably put a little bit of wax and stuff on this lens here. I like to do all the lenses on the vehicles at least twice a year to protect them from the sun. But that's it. I know it's been a while for an FJ Cruiser video, but the things don't break down. They run like a champ. They last forever, and there really hasn't been a lot of mods that I haven't already done, but this was one of them. So thanks for bearing with me, guys, as far as waiting for another FJ video. And I'll get this one on YouTube just as quickly as I can. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. And thanks for watching. Just one last shot with the 303 on there. I'll let that go ahead and dry. I usually put it on pretty thick, and then I wipe off the residue after it's dried. So I like to do the handles, the mirrors, and that way from right off the bat it just makes them start lasting longer. So all I have to do now is pull my vehicle out of the garage so I can reach the other side and get the other mirror done.